Omega-3 fatty acids provide a number of different health benefits, and one in particular that is excellent for virtually any man. If you are looking for a way to enlarge your penis, you have likely tried a number of different solutions with limited success. Omega-3 fatty acid provides an easy, safe, and effective way to increase the length and girth of your penis. There are no embarrassing products to leave lying around, and the overall cost of the supplements is quite low. Here, we'll go over some of the benefits you can gain from using omega-3 fatty acids to enlarge your penis. Men who use omega-3 fatty acids to increase the length of their penis gain benefits not only during sexual intercourse, but in everyday life. Because the cervix and the fornix, which are located at the back of the vaginal cavity, are key pleasure centers for many women, having a way to penetrate to them is a crucial part of high-quality sexual performance. Men with longer penises are more easily able to reach these areas for stimulation. Omega-3 fatty acids also make the penis thicker, which increases stimulating friction because the penis fits more snugly into the vagina. This results in an overall increase in sexual abilities, not to mention more satisfaction for both you and your partner. However, men with longer penises also gain confidence due to increased sexual abilities and self-image, and according to leading sexologists also have higher self-esteem and consider themselves more charismatic and assertive. If your confidence in or out of bed is lacking, and you want to give yourself a boost not only to your sexual abilities but to your attitude as well, enlarging your penis with omega-3 fatty acids is an excellent way to do so. Having a larger penis is a simple way to provide you with more confidence in sex, and a better attitude in everyday life. If you want a completely natural, no-risk way of enlarging your penis, then omega-3 fatty acids provide a great solution. The supplements cost very little, and because of their other health uses, nobody will question the fact that you take them. The fact that they also make your penis larger is a little-known fact, but you can take advantage of it to get more satisfaction with your partner as well as a boost in confidence. So, you no longer need to ask how to make your penis bigger, because you know one of the secret ingredients. Supercharge your sex life like never before. How would you like to enlarge your penis and erections by up to 3 inches in length and in girth? What about having bigger ejaculations, rock-solid hardness, more intense erections as well as mind-blowing multiple orgasms for you and her? Well, read our detailed Male Extra review on how you can gain outstanding control and stamina and the ability to enjoy all-night staying power at http://www.maleenhancementinc.com with our natural male enhancement pill.